Well, today is day 3 of the project. Those are both water lines and the new wires that were laid down. I'm going to jump around here. Hold on a second. We're redoing the whole house, every pipe, every handle, every outlet, connection to all the sinks, the bathroom, tub, kitchen. Today's day 3. I don't remember if I said that or not. Excuse the air conditioning noise. And a new electrical outlet. Let's go inside. Stand by. Excuse the mess, but had to clear out everything in order to be able to work. The good news is, while we're doing all this, we've got some new electrical outlets. This is going. This is the hot water tank, obviously. And what's going to replace it is that box right there. Tankless hot water. This is a whole house filtration. Be hooked up. The water's going to come in right there. You see it coming in. It'll feed up to the filtration, the water heater. The panel is stripped because we've been making brand new wire runs and connections to both the pump and the outlet there on the right. The gray box is a brand new outlet, so I can put another freezer or refrigerator or both out here. So we've got several new electrical receptacles, and today the fun begins. Stand by and I'll show you why. And again, excuse the disorganization. Today, on the other side of this door is where I just was. The electrical panel is behind the paper towels and molds on the wall there. We have to take the stove and the kitchen, well, the whole kitchen sink, the sink and the base out, cut into the drywall behind it. And that will give us exposure to all the pipes that feed underground and come up in the wall between the bathroom, which is right there, up down on the right-hand side, the door, right where you see Pearl. Make all the connections, and then put everything back together again. So, thanks for stopping and taking a look. Wish us luck.